In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade WooCommerce, a valuable skill if you're dealing with compatibility issues or simply want to use an older version of this popular plugin. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. To begin, we'll need a handy tool called WP Rollback. This plugin is essential because it allows you to easily revert to previous versions of your plugins without hassle. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Plugins and then tap on Add New. This will take you to a screen where you can search for new plugins. In the search bar, type in WP Rollback. Once it's located, you'll see an Install Now button appear. Click on that, and after a short installation period, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to get WP Rollback up and running. With WP Rollback activated, we can now focus on rolling back WooCommerce itself. Go back to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard, but this time click on Installed Plugins. This is where you'll see a list of all the plugins currently set up on your site. Scroll through the list until you find WooCommerce. Once located, you'll notice a new rollback option under the WooCommerce plugin. This feature has been added courtesy of WP Rollback, and it's the tool we need to proceed. Clicking Rollback will bring up a screen listing all available versions of WooCommerce. Here you can choose the version you'd like to revert to. It's advisable to have a specific version in mind before starting, especially if you're trying to resolve a particular issue. Older versions might lack some of the newer features and security updates, so always consider whether downgrading will genuinely solve your problem. Once you've decided on a version, select it from the list. After selecting your desired version, you'll be prompted to confirm the rollback. At this point, it's crucial to ensure that you have a recent backup of your site just in case anything goes awry during the process. You can never be too cautious when it comes to data security. Assuming your backup is in place, go ahead and confirm your choice to complete the rollback. And there you have it. You've successfully downgraded WooCommerce using WP Rollback. This method is direct and user-friendly, offering you the flexibility to manage your plugins effectively. Remember, while this process is generally safe, always keep an eye on your site after any significant changes. Regularly check for updates to resolve any potential issues with compatibility or security. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope this guide gave you the confidence to manage your WooCommerce versions like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and troubleshooting guides. Happy site managing!